Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ritika and wish you all a very happy Independence Day. So, before we start the session, I hope we all are okay with English. Hi, Ankit. We'll be okay with English, right?
Yeah,
All right. So, it's a fun day today and let's keep it light. I will request everyone to put their answers and everything in the chat box. I will be monitoring the chat box and your participation as well. And for all the things, there is, of course, we are going to be evaluating and we'll give gifts for the same. All right. Should we start? Let's start, everyone. So, I to start with, let's know which city are you joining from. Write your name and your city. So we have Ravikant from Pune, Nilesh from Indore, Tushar from Pune, Sapna from Bangalore, Hyderabad. I am Rutika from Mumbai. So we have Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Indore, and I think, yes, Chennai as well. All right. So can I have few more answering? Let's go to the next slide and see how will we know. So what does India mean to you? Can we all say in one word? What does India mean to us in one word? Bhavna says home. Bhavna, your and my answer is very much same. Shruti says identity. Teja says home again. What else? What does India mean to us? Unity in diversity is a pride, is a mother India. What else? It's such a beautiful word. We can have many words that we associate to India. So, India feels a lot homely to many of us. It feels mother to many of us. It feels belonging, pride, nation, motherland. For me, we can call it a safe place. One last answer to understand what does India mean to you. Do we have anybody? My family. Wonderful. Hierarchy. Everything. Nice. Can we go to the next slide? Let's do a quick challenge. Now, this is a very easy challenge. We'll open our cameras, but we'll have to show something white, orange, or green in front of our camera for the next 20 in within the next 20 seconds. So, can we start timing? Your time starts now. Can I see all? Someone says a cup, paper. You can raise your hands and put your camera on if you want. There's a flag. As soon as you raise the flag, raise your hand, Ankit will allow your camera access and you can show it to others also if you're comfortable. Do we have anyone?
Ritika Shruti we have.
Yes, we also have Bhavna. Shruti, what do you have to show us? It's a bottle. Wonderful. Who else? We have Bhavna and we have Nilesh. Bhavna has a tube, an ID card that is white. All right. We can take Nilesh and we can go to the next then. Bhavna also has a truck, is it? All right, guys, you don't want gifts or what? I feel everybody's sleeping. Akash has a tree which is green. Shruti has a watch. I think the dial is green. All right, let's go to the next slide. But before we go to the next slide and start something, I need all of you all to pay attention and play this game because if you do not do this, it's not fun. And besides, you'll not get any gifts. So I hope for goodies, at least we will do this. Yes, no, maybe. Come on, this is free. I'm not charging. Yes, no, maybe, yes. Thank you. I need the same enthusiasm in ongoing next things. All right. So now we are in a Gen Z world. Sorry if there is any Gen Z, but we are in a Gen Z world. So we decode freedom in multiple missions. The first mission, which is the round one, where we will guess the historical events, but on the basis of the emojis. So we will show you some set of emojis, and you need to decode the historic event. Everyone's ready for it? Should we start? Yes, again, shower me with yes. Wonderful. Let's go. Let's start with the first slide. What do you think these emojis are and which historic event does it say? Dandi March? Yes. Many others? How many up for Satyagraha? How many up for Dandi March? There's one very interesting answer called Salt Satyagraha. All right, let's see if you all are right. Many of you are right. How can we celebrate that? Please raise your hand. Yes, I think we can do that as well. You can raise your hands and we can have the access as well for the same. Can we go to the next one? What do you think? Which historic event is this? This was the toughest of all, I believe.
Yeah, India got independent on this day.
Correct. But I think this was the toughest of all the ones that we gave you. Next one, which is this one. Any guess? What historic event is this? Can somebody Does somebody want to open the camera and answer the same? Yes, Nilesh.
Maybe the Kakori train.
Maybe, why? Maybe.
Kakori train robbery.
Okay. What else? Is there anybody else who wants to give it a try? Anybody. If I give you a cue that there is one person who's given a right answer, anyone? Okay, let's see what the right answer is.
Can I say?
I'm so sorry. The answer was shown. But
Gujarat.
congratulations, Abhishek. You've guessed it right. I hope it was not ChatGPT. Let's go to the next one. What is this? Is it Sing is King? Who else wants to try? All right. Extreme verbatim. We have somebody who I think has our answer sheet. Yes, Pashumala, do you have our answer sheet? All right, let's go to the next one. What is this? We have many who are very intelligent and high on GK. That's right. This is Constitution of India. Let's go to the next one. What's this?
Mission Mangalyaan.
That's right. It's the Chandrayaan. Next one. Now we are doing a flash quiz with everybody because everybody is so intelligent. We're going to up the game a little. We want to respond with the questions. We are going to respond with the questions that pop up on the screen. The fastest is the one who grabs the opportunity. Correct? Did we understand? Yes, no, maybe. So simple. There's going to be a prompt, a question that's going to pop up on your screen. The fastest one is the one that we are going to be capturing. All right, let's start. Which is India's popularly known Netaji?
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Wonderful. Let's go to the next one. Which fort in Delhi hosts the Prime Minister's speech
Red
on
Fort.
the Independence Day?
Red Fort.
Red Fort.
Everybody is very high on IQ here and GQ as well. This is the most toughest question coming, everybody. So please gear up. Next question.
Saffron, white, and
Saffron, white, green.
White and green.
Somebody's written red, white, and green.
No, saffron, white and green.
No. I'm just being a little vigilant on who's writing what. But this was the toughest of the whole this batch again. Next one. Next toughest.
Janaganman.
Do we all frequently use this?
Yes.
When was the last time we must have stood up and said Janagana Manu?
In a cinema theater.
In a cinema theater because
Prodesi.
match.
post school. Where did you see? Sorry,
Cricket match.
cricket match. But did you stand up and sing for the nation?
Yes.
Yes.
Wonderful. How many of us still genuinely stand up as soon as we listen to the beat of it? Or
Me,
sometimes we are tired, we are like the knee pain, joint pain, back pain. Do we give these reasons?
also, I need to highlight one more point on
Yes.
this. As I was in NCC, so I had got an opportunity to go to my old college, and there last time, I believe day before yesterday, I sing the Janaganmana after the
Wonderful.
parade complete.
That is so nice, Aditya.
Yeah, thanks.
I'm sure it must have been a very nice experience to you also after a very long time, because it's
Can,
very rare for all of us to also catch up on the national anthem.
can I say something? I think our national song is probably actually Vande Mataram. National anthem is Janaganamana, I think.
Yes, thank you. I was waiting for somebody to say that. Please note this participant and give her the gift. Thank you for breaking my act.
Will be noted each and everyone who is going to answer.
Yes,
So
but
will
this
be
one
noted.
should get a special one because for so long I was pretending it to be right and then she just broke it out. All right, let's go to the next one. Who designed the national flag?
Pinguli Venkaya.
Yeah, same answer for me also.
So that's very fast and nice. Let's go to the next one. Who wrote Vande Mataram?
Rabindranath Tagore
Rabindranath
for
Tagore.
Bangladesh and us.
No, Vande Mataram, guys. This is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee or Chattopadhyay.
That's right, Banking
Oh,
Chattopadhyay.
He wrote Janaganamana, Rabindranath Tagore.
We've really got somebody very equipped and faster than AI right now who has EQ and IQ both on point.
I'm not
Let's
typing, I'm being very lazy.
All right, this is the round three where AI images we guess. So AI images will be shown on the screen. The first one to guess, the rule remains the same. The fastest, the best. Right? So let's start.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Satyagraha.
Sorry, what are
Satyagraha
we
movement.
guessing? Just the person or the event or like what?
Sorry.
Satyagraha movement.
We
Are
are
we
going to be guessing the person, the image we are going to be guessing.
Mahatma
What is
Gandhi.
that squiggly line then? Is it to
That's
throw
just
us off?
no squiggly line, they'll put the answer on
The
top.
Ah,
answer
okay.
is on the line.
So fill in the blank.
Correct. Next one.
Bhagat Singh.
Bhagat Singh. Sahid Bhagat Singh.
Shahid Bhagat Singh.
Yes. Let's go to the next one. Can we have the next one?
Rani
Jhansi
Lakshmibai.
Ki Rani.
And Rani Lakshmibai.
Wonderful. Let's go to the next one.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Abdul Kalam.
Wonderful. So it's like a quick walkthrough in your memory lane of history, is it?
Yeah.
Let's go to the next one.
Sardar
Sardar
Vallabhbhai Patel.
Vallabhbhai Patel.
Let's go to the next one. So here's a twist, and here is the best participation I want. I genuinely want the best of the participation here. Get as creative as possible, and I want it to be fun. Genuinely, we've had like too much of history right now. Let's get to some fun element here. All right, are we ready?
Yes.
Yes. So, all we are going to do is I'm going to show you some pictures. Participants are supposed to give only wrong and funny answers. The only rule is wrong and funny. You've seen the example. What is Taj Mahal? The answer is India's biggest wedding venue. For me, Taj Mahal could be just a cup of tea.
I
But that's a
cannot
correct
visit on
answer.
honeymoon.
Taj Mahal is a cup of tea.
You have Taj Mahal tea also, no?
Okay, Taj Mahal is the best coffee I've ever had.
Yeah.
All right, so can we try one with the first image?
Yes.
Are we all ready?
Playground.
Nightclub.
Biggest graveyard.
But graveyard is true.
Playground.
Eighth wonder of Pakistan. Clubhouse, swimming pool, my home. Wow. Y'all are giving
Polluted destination.
replica of Charminar. Opera.
Polluted destination is also true, guys. You're supposed to say false. I don't.
My villa. Wow.
I cannot visit on honeymoon.
It is where I have my boardroom meeting every day. All right, let's try the next picture.
Auto wala.
Diwali Fataka.
The Wali Fataka photo wala. It also resembles to Ravan.
Ravan Podi.
What Uber charges during rainy days?
This is the highlighted one. That's my mom's brain when I disobey her.
We sent this machine less than our Diwali budget of India.
Just continuing your answer, it was getting like Son Papdi on Diwali. Let's go to the next one. We are getting funnier slowly. Why is the sky blue?
Why is the grass green?
Why is my room color? Marshmallow, King Mori. Because it was supposed to be pink.
आज sky है पानी पानी.
Because the Monday said so.
Excuse me.
Because Honey Singh said so. Okay, Honey Singh is also here in the competition. Because Akash is a boy. All right, let's see what's next on the store. So we have the second mission here. The second mission is also not very tough, but it is little tough. Where a cue will appear on your screen and you have to guess the monument. The P on the panel is? Yeah. So whoever wants to be there can raise your hand and turn your camera off. Right? So like I said, simple rules, cue will appear on the screen, be the fastest and guess the monument. Let's try the first slide.
Taj
Taj
Mahal.
Mahal.
That's right. Let's go.
India Gate.
Sorry?
India Gate.
That's right. Let's go to the next one.
Hawa Mahal.
What?
Hawa Mahal.
Hawa Mahal.
Pretty famous place. What's the next one?
Charminar.
Charminar.
Golconda.
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 I like the Charminar.
If I get this wrong, I should just die. I am from Hyderabad.
Hi everyone, I'm just requesting you to please open your camera, whoever there in the panel is, so that people can see you guys. Yeah.
Hi. All right, let's see the next one.
Charminar.
Charminar.
We had
Not
that one.
Golconda.
We had that for you coming.
Thank you.
Sasta Tajmahal. All right, let's go to the next one.
Qutub Minar.
Qutub Minar.
Are we sure?
The
Yes.
answer is already out there.
Okay, next one. So this is also a simple one. Like we guessed the monuments, now we are going to guess the states. So we are going to write 3 traits of each state. You have to guess those traits and represent. You have to guess those traits. Those traits definitely represent that state. All right. So let's start with the first one.
Goa. No, Kathakali. Kerala.
Kerala.
First two were very nice to understand. It was Goa.
You
Kath-
had to set beaches, that's why.
Right. You're right, but next one.
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
Hmm. We've got many intelligent ones now. I'm feeling very.
Assam.
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 Yeah.
Next.
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Everybody's all set for the festivals coming.
Yes.
How many of you who are not from Maharashtra want to come visit us during festivals?
Yeah, I am from Odisha.
Please come. We
After
will.
Nimajan, we don't want to come.
I'm from Maharashtra only.
Wonderful. Somebody is inviting us to Pune as well.
Hyderabad also, you can come.
Let's go to the next one.
West
Calcutta.
Bengal.
I mean,
Calcutta.
Calcutta.
West Bengal, yeah.
All right.
Bengal, my
One.
neighbor state.
West Bengal. Calcutta is not a state yet.
I know. Are you guys trying for it?
But then the best part is you all are participating. Trying right or wrong is always a secondary thing. Let's go to the next one.
Meghalaya.
It's
Meghalaya is a little.
Nagaland.
Manipur.
It's Nagaland. All right. The next one.
Odisha.
Odisha.
The first answer was like quite of a trait.
Yeah.
All right. Next one.
Oh, Punjab.
Punjab.
Gujarat.
Punjab.
That's right. Now we knew the festival. Now we saw the state, we saw the date, we saw the monument. Now let's match the festival because it's festival time, right?
Yeah.
So let's match the festival to the given state. Let's try this.
Kerala.
Kerala.
Everybody's so intelligent. They don't want to wait on me. Next.
Maharashtra.
All India.
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra dominantly, all India, yes.
It
What do
can
we
be
say?
Karnataka too.
Say when Ganpati comes?
It's huge in Hyderabad too. Ganesh Chaturthi.
What do we say when Ganpati Bappa comes?
Ganpati.
Visit Pune once.
What do we say? Say it loudly, everybody, whoever's unmute.
Ganpati Bappa Moria.
So can we all say together?
Yeah.
Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Radha Laddu.
Ganpati Bappa.
Everybody will say, okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Mangalmurti. Moria.
Moria.
What about Adha
Kundur
Laddu
Mama ki
Kalia?
Moria.
Kundir Mama
That
ki
in
jai.
Hyderabad, we say Adha Laddu Choria, I guess. Someone said Khalia.
We can use that this time in Maharashtra also. All right. Thank you, guys. Next
West Bengal.
Bengal.
is when Durga Mata comes.
West Bengal.
West Bengal. Kolkata, West Bengal.
Oh, this is probably Himachal Pradesh, maybe? Or Jammu, Kashmir.
Uttarakhand.
Ladakh.
South. Somebody's cracked it.
Ladakh.
Somebody's
Sikkim.
Yes, it's Sikkim.
Never heard of it.
So let's all go visit and see what is it celebrated like. Let's go next. Yes, Sikkim.
Assam.
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 That's right. Next one.
Oh, that's hard.
Tamil
Telugu.
Nadu.
Andhra Pradesh.
And Telangana.
Andhra Pradesh and
It's
Telangana.
Andhra Pradesh.
It was
Next.
just Andhra, but now we have both. Yeah. Bangala.
Sorry?
Somewhere there is mountains. So no idea. I heard of it.
Karnataka.
No.
Tamil Nadu.
Somebody's cracked it.
So one of those seven sisters are
Meghalaya?
north only.
Meghalaya?
Yeah, Meghalaya or something like that.
Meghalaya.
How many of you like music?
Everyone likes music.
Everyone likes music?
Yes.
Not music, songs.
Songs, yeah, songs, music. No, I wouldn't call it potato, but yeah. So, are we ready? We like it, we are sure, right? Because the Mission 3 is more about sounds, musics that we've familiarly heard here in India. So, can we guess them? So, my team will be playing one after the other track. The rule remains same. We have to guess it. Are we ready?
Yes.
Does anybody want to guess what could be the first song just before I play it?
National anthem.
Anybody else?
Tunak Daler Mehndi.
National.
Chak De India.
Chak De India, Daler Mehndi, Janaganamana.
Natu.
Natu, Ganpati Bappa.
Rasputin.
Dile Surtuma.
Border, the song of Border, also famous song.
Song of Border. Okay, let's see whose guess may be true, may not be true. All right, let's go to the first song.
Punjab.
That was fast. Somebody guessed the song already
Border song.
before I could play. You got a PPT or what? All right, so you understood the game. Let's play the second song.
Tujhe Salam.
Nice music.
All right. Correct answer. Let's go to the third song. This was like a cue given right there. Next,
Yes, the movie.
we are going to be observing some emojis on the screen. We'll have to guess the movie. Ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Peddi.
World Chak De.
Check the India.
Check the India.
Bat, ball,
Lagan.
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 Yeah, Lagan. Check De.
Lagan.
That's right.
Lagan.
1983.
Oh, wait.
But he's written 83. That is why I said that's right. Oh, sorry, I didn't read. My bad.
Chalo.
Next movie.
Rocketry.
Sorry.
Mission
Rocketry.
Mangal. Mission.
Mangal.
Let's see.
Chandrayaan. Mission Mangal.
Mission Mangal. Third.
But then the emoji is wrong, no?
Sorry.
Then the emoji is wrong.
How?
Yeah, wrong.
Wasn't that moon?
Sorry.
Yes, we're sorry for that, guys. Sorry.
Sorry. I'm also asking how.
DDLJ.
The third one.
Swades.
Somebody's guessed right. I'm not going to say which one. Do you want to show Mansi?
Swades.
Next movie.
Chak De India.
Now check the
Toughest. Next one.
Airlift.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Airlift.
No.
No.
And Ajay Devgan movie.
Neerja. Bhuj.
No. This
Runway 13.
Airlift only.
This is different. Tell me when you're tired, then my team will show you. Safed Sagar is a series.
Airlift.
Akash Mani Hadra.
Okay. Mansi, please show them.
Fighter.
Something tough we had to put, no? Everything
That's
you are
right.
guessing. Next.
British.
Doraemon.
Doraemon. Namaste, London.
English.
English, English, Water, Namaste, London. Can I say one of them is right? Postman नाम का picture है. One of you is right. From the chat box.
Border. Angrez.
Borders.
How many for border?
Me. Order.
लगान हो गया. Well, that's right. It's border. Let's go to the next one. We are leveling up now. But y'all are not letting us.
Rocket.
Mission Mangal. No, it already is done.
Interstellar.
Chan Sitara.
Again,
Why only Bollywood?
somebody from the chat box is right.
Chan Sitara. Tare Zamin Par.
Rocketry.
That's right. Let's go to the next one.
Amol India.
I was just going to say there is
Heritage.
no on Amul.
No idea. Manthan. Never heard of it.
It's very amusing and fascinating to see
Movie.
y'all so equipped with answers, because even after PPT, I had to go through all these movies.
The Mountain Man.
No, somebody and many others who's written Manthan are correct.
Never even heard of it.
Exactly why I said it's very amusing and worth appreciation that you all have knowledge about it. It really took me a while to write.
When we ask how many actually know this movie or watch this movie, or is this an AI answer? Because
Now that is so. The fun part is we all are so hungry for content these days that we genuinely do consume old movies. Some movies come out of recommendation, and some
This is
movies.
1976, Ritika.
No, I'm telling you, today
Yeah.
AI is recommending you older movies. They're giving you content from those movies. So
Mita Parekh and Girish Karnad.
it's Mita Patel, yes.
1976. I don't think I've ever watched anything that old.
It's available and it's a good content. All right, let's see the next one.
Jhansi Rani.
Jhansi Rani.
Rudramadevi. Manikarnika, that's true.
It's just getting fun to see you also prompt. It's either AI or it's you all.
Are these all only Bollywood movies?
Yes, that's right. It's Manikarnika.
Manikarnika.
Let's go to the next one.
Neeraj Chopra.
Neerja, yeah, Neerja.
Mirza.
That's
Chopra.
all right. Next one.
PV Sindhu.
Sorry?
I think there's a
name.
movie.
That's Saina.
Yeah.
Saina.
Movie on Saina Nehwal.
Saina.
That's right. Either y'all want to go home faster, y'all want to go grab snacks faster, or what, I don't know. Y'all are too fast. Let's see the next one. This is not that tough.
This is
Yes.
Vidya Balan's.
कहानी
Jasoos only it's called.
Razi. Kahani. Razi.
Raji is a very good answer.
That is a very good answer.
Dhurandhar.
Female detective.
Maybe the third part has
Female
a female.
Dhurandhar.
Nice.
So whoever broke the word Razi first, yes, it's Razi.
Yeah.
All right. Next is a little level up. We are going to play some audio clips. This might really need you to listen to them carefully, and we have to guess the person behind that audio clip.
Okay.
All right. Should we try with the first one?
लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती,
Amitabh
कोशिश
Amitabh
करने वालों
Bachchan.
की कभी हार नहीं।
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan.
That's right. Tough to forget the voice. Next one.
You're very passionate about something, and you just I want this. It never comes to you. You just at a point you just have to forget it and be passionate and go deep within your art.
We can answer now.
Shah Rukh Khan.
It's A.R. Rahman.
So it's just, is it Mr. Shah Rukh Khan or is it Mr. A.R. Rahman?
A.R. Rahman.
Rahman.
That's right. Let's go to the third one.
There is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is
APJ
order.
Abdul Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Order in the nation, there is peace in the home.
Nice. So what we'll do
There
is
is
wait
harmony
for
in
the
the
audio
home.
clips to
When
finish.
there is
So that
harmony
you
in the
the
home,
ones who are
there is
answering
order
this
in
can
the
be
nation.
heard.
When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the home.
It's Dr. Kalam. Let's go to the next one.
ये हर कलाकार जो होता है
Lata
उसको
Mangeshkar.
लाइफ टाइम
Lata
अचीवमेंट
Mangeshkar.
फुल स्टॉप नहीं लगाना चाहिए।
So we all know everything, like literally everything. Let's have some fun now. We all have some myths. We all have some facts. Sometimes the myths are so stronger that they start to feel like facts to us. Yes, no, maybe.
Yes.
Yes.
True.
Let's see if we know the myths and facts quite straight about our nation. Let's see the first screen. India's world
Myth.
largest democracy.
Myth.
True.
True. True.
It's true.
True. If China has 1 lakh less.
That is a fact.
It's an absolute blockbuster fact. There is no other country as democratic as India is. It brings in a lot of democracy as opposed to other countries. So it is a fact, and we all should be proud of it. Though we are not exercising it the best, but it's a fact. All right.
Okay.
So let's go to the next one.
India.
India. Fact.
Truth.
I'll just say myth.
Fact.
Everybody
True.
said
True. 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 True.
So somebody was
Fact.
saying myth. Why so?
just because everybody said fact and I don't know the answer.
It is a fact, and we all should be very proud that something as intelligent as that has been a part of us. Next one.
No.
Myth.
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 It's not even a myth. Nobody believes that. It's just false.
Yeah, it's fact in those days when
Those
they
days.
constructed this.
But today it's a myth. It's
Yeah,
false because
today
it's in Agra. Next one.
Myth.
True. 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 True.
Yes, true.
True.
It's a myth. There's so
True.
many bigger
Fact.
countries.
Fact. Fact.
Fact.
Geographically, there are so many bigger countries.
But the largest network,
We have so many postal codes.
Exactly.
There's so many other countries, right? So I don't.
No country has this many postal codes apart from India.
Yeah.
let's see the next one.
Myth.
No, Bengal tiger.
Tiger.
It used to be lion at one point, but then they changed it to Bengal tiger.
How many of us have been to tiger safaris or seen tigers?
Yeah. I visited. It's in
Sorry?
Nandankanan. Yeah, in Odisha there is a place Nandankanan. Basically, there is tiger safari.
Correct. I have been there.
Yeah, I have been also visited through Bear Grylls.
So, how does it feel to be in their land? Tiger Park Pattaya is sadly torturing the animals.
Yes.
They are sedated, and poor souls are just kept as a part of furniture there.
Yes.
All right. So, let's go to the next one.
Yes.
Yes.
Fact.
True.
It's fact.
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 Let's see the next one.
Myth.
Myth.
False.
29 states.
After
7
11
union
was-
territories.
I think we have 28. Did we add one more?
Union territories.
Telangana is added.
29.
Telangana
Recently
only
added,
28, no?
but they've
No,
not.
29. So this is myth.
29.
We have 29.
Yes.
Telangana was added in 2014, long back. 28 only. No?
It's 28.
No.
It's 28 only.
Why
Yeah,
does it
Google.
say myth?
Because J&K is now a union territory, right? After the abolition of the Article
I think we have
370.
28 states only.
Yeah, Googled it. It's 28.
Yeah, we have
You know,
Question,
it's
union territory.
question paper is wrong.
Sorry.
It's a fact. I don't know why it says myth.
It's an error from our end.
ChatGPT given wrong answer.
ChatGPT. For once, we could fool the ChatGPT. Which one is?
Myth.
Lotus is
Myth.
Wonderful.
Kamal.
Let's come to the next one. Now that everyone is awake and having fun and is more vigilant and aware and everything, let's do a quick memory challenge. Now I'm going to show you an image on your screen. See it nicely. You have 10 seconds to look at it. No screenshots, no pictures, nothing, not allowed. You have to see the image and then you have to memorize it, and then I will have a question which you'll have to answer. All right?
Okay.
Let's do it. Presenting you the screen.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Coconut. You took out.
Coconut.
Coconut.
Yes.
Coconut.
That's right. Now, can you list what all was there in the image?
yeah, lotus,
A
peacock,
peacock,
tiger,
tiger, lotus,
Mango.
cricket,
one dhol,
band,
Coconut.
Person doing
Yoga.
auto.
Auto.
a
mango.
dancing guy,
Mango. Taj.
14.
It is not dance, it's yoga.
Taj Mahal.
Wow, like
Yeah, Taj Mahal.
everybody's genuinely up on that picture.
Dancing lady. I think there was, Kathak dance. Yoga lady.
Yes, Kathak. Yoga, rhyme,
Idli vada. I missed idli vada. How can I miss idli vada?
drum,
Ali was there. I missed it.
All right. Now, quickly. Next one. Don't think. Okay, don't think of what I'm going to tell you next. Just type the first thing that comes to your mind immediately as soon as it comes, right? Can we start? Everybody's
Yes.
ready? Let's do it.
India is the largest democratic country in world.
tomorrow is the Independence Day.
Tomorrow's Independence Day food, my country, largest democracy. Wonderful. So now we understood the drill for this. Let's try the second one. What more?
Chai is my favorite.
It's that time of the day. Nice. Nice. Let's see what's the third word.
Mumbai.
Kerala monsoon.
Raincoat.
Chai.
Kata.
Western Ghats.
Western Ghats. Beautiful place. Next for the next one.
Virat Kohli.
India.
Kohli.
Sachin Dhoni, Kohli.
Rohit Sharma.
Sunil Gavaskar.
MSD.
England.
Cricket is dash. Without cricket, dash is. Cricket without dash is.
Cricket without India is.
India.
Cricket without India is no revenue.
No revenue.
No entertainment.
Is a part of a largest prideful thing also. Next question. Diwali. One word only, huh?
Crackers.
Crackers, lights, celebration.
Vijayadashami.
Lights.
Nobody's remembering
Mithai.
that the office gives.
Holiday.
The bonus.
Nice. Brilliant. Now there is one thing we are going to do where we are going to complete the sentence Let's go to the next slide. We're going to complete the sentence with funny answers only. For example, every Indian family at least has one person who says,
No, I can't eat.
now I can't eat, I walk 10 miles to my school, jaldi so ja,
Abhi
mobile.
कब करोगे?
I'll not approve this.
हमारे यहाँ ऐसा ही होता है, हमारे जमाने में ये होता था, एसी बंद करो, बिल बहुत आएगा, चलो
लोग क्या कहेंगे?
लोग क्या कहेंगे? That's right.
Yeah.
खाना क्या खाओगे?
Biryani.
All right. Next. So because we all are one team under one country, we have many stories. So let's see what this means. We are going to complete the sentence the way we want, right? India to me is everything. Matrubhumi, my motherland, homeland, my pride, rich culture, traffic, memories,
Unity and discipline.
unity and discipline, diversity,
Motherland.
While there's a lot of words you have for India, let's see the next one. The one thing I love the most about India is
Culture.
culture, chai, diversity, food, unity,
Dr. Abdul Kalam.
Dr. Abdul Kalam, vibrancy, traffic, Modi ji, tradition, colors. Nobody for cricket? Bollywood.
Traffic.
All right, next one. If I could take one thing away from India and one thing from India anywhere in the world, I would take only funny answers.
Food.
Spices.
Money.
What are your funny answers like? I would take chai because that's very tough to find anywhere else. What else would others take? You would take Rahul Gandhi only. Wow.
People are taking Modi ji also.
Overhead wires is very dark. Hyderabadi biryani. All the street food experimenters gone hai ye. Nikhil is gonna take away Zoom only.
DLF.
Mahaprabhu Jagannath.
See ya. Nobody's gonna take mom's.
Is Sia from Hyderabad? Because Meridian biryani is amazing. She said Meridian ki biryani. I love Meridian. Sia, are you from Hyderabad?
I'm sure she is because the OGs only do that.
That is amazing biryani, guys. If you're not in Hyderabad, you're missing mutton biryani with double masala from Meridian.
Please stop overselling or you'll have to send one for everybody.
If you come here, I'll take you.
Let's come to the next one. You have 3 seconds. One thing, one word that describes India for you.
So many times, same question.
Different ways.
Pingal Venkaya.
Because you're not giving me the best answer. Yeah.
Colors.
Nirmala Sitharaman is coming there, yeah. All right. Now I have taken enough of your time. Challenges, everything has been great. One last thing. That's the final leg, final challenge, because we're one team. We're all Indians. I'm proud of India because it's my
India is my
country.
motherland. I am Indian.
Yes,
Indian pledge.
we're true. We're truly resilient. Yes. Sia must just be an ambassador for Meridian. सबसे आगे होगी हिंदुस्तानी. It's rich in culture. UPI, India has a greater culture, cultural heritage. Amitabh Bachchan. Wonderful. I'm proud of India because it chose me to be a part of it.
Yeah.
So while we have come to the end of this session, I'm going to say thank you to all of y'all for being patient, participant, and most important, intelligently available there for the session throughout. I'm sure we've made notes of everything, all the answers and goodies are on your way. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day and hope to see you all soon sometime in life. Have a great day, guys.
Thank you very much.
Wish
It
you
was a
too.
great session.
Thank
If
you.
you can,
was a
guys,
great
come
session.
up on the camera, we will take one group photo and then we can wind up.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Yeah. So thank you so much, everyone who joined for today's Friday music session. And next Friday, we do have session on AI and assistance on automation. So we will bringing some foreign speaker for that. So please do register through the portal and then you can join the next Friday music. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.